Hi everyone, such a wonderful day this is, as I'm back from dead after 3 months of not making tutorial videos. So I welcome you with warm heart when you discover about how to create a system where after passing a certain amount of time, the game engine does something. Just like how after a certain amount of time, your father lives for milk and does his thing. Alright, now the most common and useful way to go about timed event is using something called a coroutine. Now the syntax of coroutine might look a bit dodgy to the starter, but it's pretty simple after you know about it. I'm pretty sure many things of life too can fall into this category, but let's move into coding. So first, make a new function where instead of void, use IEnumerator and give it whatever name you desire. After you do so, you may see that it is giving you an error. That's because it needs some values to exist. So type in el return new, and I'm going to put in wait for seconds here, but you may experiment with other things yourselves. And for the function's actual thing, I'm just going to print time has passed. Now, just like any other public functions, you have to call this function from somewhere, so I'm going to call this function from start by using quotation marks, but you don't actually have to do quotation mark as well. If your coroutine is inside your script, you can call it like a normal function, but you have to use the start coroutine method. Now we have to put this script on a game object, and as we hit start, you may see that after that amount of time, we get the time has passed message on our console. Now if you wish to do anything other than printing messages, you have to go to that function and type in what you want to do. But this can be quite frustrating if you have tons of time event on your project. Now you can automate this thing by using something called a Unity event. Now you have used Unity event on buttons, but you can actually put this on a script as well. Now let's do the following to actually do this. On top of the script where you can see these namespaces, put another new namespace saying using Unity Engine dot events, and then you can add a new event saying public Unity event, name it say on time passed, and then you can put this Unity event where we have put our print message saying on time passed dot invoke. Now this will allow us to create say Unity events to work with. Now let's come over here. Let's come to our canvas. It seems I have removed the script. Let's put our timer script, and then you can see that we have a similar interface here, which we can see on Unity buttons. Now by the same way, you can actually click on this plus icon, and then you can change something of existing game objects. So for now, I'm dragging this subscribe now text object on here, and then I can click here, click on text, and then I can click on string text over here, and then I can change the text actually. So in here I'm going to put like as well. Now after 1 second it will change the script. Let me show you. There you are, we have like as well. Now let's actually get rid of this one that we have put here, and let's create a new public float value. Let's name it time value, and then put this time value right here. Now not time value. Now we can specify how much time it will take before the script happens. So now let's do it 0.1 second this time, so it will happen nearly instantly. There you are. Awesome. So now we have automated the system, yes, but the problem is this seems pretty limited, but actually now we can actually do quite a lot with it. After this part, old me got quite crazy and created a complete Unity time system where the same script can hold a lot of time events and execute them. Now if I put those clips in this video, the video will be quite long, so I have gone ahead and made a different video following directly from this video. So I would recommend you to go ahead and click the video on the screen to actually go ahead and follow that one, but if you're too lazy to do so, you can go ahead and grab the script from the description and work with it. So yeah, have fun developing, guys, and subscribe to the channel. It's been quite fun trying to try a new video editing style, and yeah, thank you very much.